Come test drive the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.